again. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back again. Hey there cuties, I'm here today with another video for you guys yet again. So today we're going to do a look with the infamous Subculture Palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Some of you love her, some of you hate her, but she made it through my declutter, so we're gonna put her to work today. We're gonna do a nice but simple mustardy look with some of the lovely grungy shades in this palette. So let's just jump right into it. Alright, so I already primed my eyes with some Urban Decay Anti-Aging Primer Potion, and I also used just a nude shade from my crease to my brow bone just to set the area for the colors that we're going to apply on top. Y'all already know if you've seen my other videos, this is how I like to do things. First, we're going to jump into the color New Wave right here, and we're going to put that in the upper part of the crease and kind of smoke it out a little bit. So I decided to film this look today because one of you lovely people left a comment on, I believe it was part 1, maybe part 2 of my declutter, and I do appreciate all the love I got on that video. But anyway, back to the comment. One of you suggested that I should use this palette again, and I thought it was a great idea, so here we are today. Once again, applying this, kind of smoking it out. Not doing anything too crazy, to be honest. But I do want to blow it out. I want that shade to be very soft. Now we're going to repeat on the other eye. And I hope you guys can see, this is the first time I'm filming in my new home, in my beauty room. So hopefully it all goes well. All right, perfect. I'm very happy with that. Next, we're gonna step into the color Edge, which is this shade right here. And we're going to put this more on the actual crease area and apply a little bit in a more concentrated manner. We are basically using this shade to kind of deepen things up a little bit. And as you can hopefully see, we're already starting to get that nice depth right here. Beautiful, beautiful depth. Love it. All right. Now, actually, let's apply it on the inner part of the eye as well. Really make that shade pop. Alright, this is what we got going on, and we're going to repeat this on the other eye as well. Actually, you know what? Let's drop the hand mirror. I've been using a hand mirror a lot recently since I moved into my new house, so I still haven't gotten used to using a sit-down mirror again and a vanity. Not that it's very hard to use, but just kind of getting back into that habit of not having to hold a mirror anymore when I do my makeup. Honestly, it feels a little different, almost a little strange, like I'm missing something to do with my other hand. And I'm going to dip back into New Wave and again smoke this area out a little bit more because I feel like we lost some of that shade's intensity when we were blending out Edge to deepen up the crease. Perfect. I love this. All right, nice and simple. So now we're going to dip into the final shade that I was planning on using. I wasn't expected for us to get done so quickly, but that is going to be the shade Electric, and I'm going to apply this shade. My camera wants to focus. What up? All right. I'm going to apply the shade Electric, and we're going to put it basically on the only open lid space that we have, which is from the middle part of the lid all the way to the inner part. I'm just going to use a regular good old shader brush to do that. Nothing complicated. Like I told y'all, this is easy peasy. I didn't want to take up your whole day here like I did last time. I so appreciate all the love that I received on my declutter videos. You guys are amazing. Thank you to all the new subscribers. I see you, I see you. Don't think that I don't, I do. And I am planning to become more active on social media so I can keep in touch with you guys, because I always feel like I'm leaving you hanging. Ooh, beautiful. All right, let's repeat that on the other side. And for the rest of my face today, actually I'm gonna end up doing all of that off camera. The only thing eyeshadow wise that I will be doing off camera is just going to involve me applying a little bit of edge to my lower lash line to smoke that out. We're not gonna do any falsies today or anything crazy, just a little bit of mascara. Taking the brush that I used to apply edge, I'm just blending these shades together, trying to get a better transition. Ooh, she is feeling grungy and sexy. All right, I love this look. Let me finish the rest of my face and I'll be right back. All right guys, so this is the finished look. Nice and simple. Like I said, I didn't want to take up too much of your time. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to all the new subscribers. I can't believe we have 6 more people here on this inconsistent ass channel, but I love each and every one of you. Again, I really appreciate just you watching me is enough, to be honest. All right, I will see y'all next time. Take care, bye. What the fuck am I doing? What the fuck am I doing? And it's about why can't they fucking get my act together, you know? Like, girl.